guys, this is Sam Presto from Sam Presto Films. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually interpret 60 frame footage on Premiere Pro for it to actually play smoothly as a slow-mo footage on Premiere Pro, because most time we just import it and just place it on a timeline and just start using it like that and change the duration. No, I'm going to teach you the right way to actually interpret that footage and get those super slow motion on Premiere Pro. Let's get started. Okay, now I have these two clips here. This is recorded on 30 frames per second, while this one over here is 60 frames per second. So let me open the sequence with this 30 frames per second. Okay, then let's play it. This is how it plays out. Okay, now let's bring the 60 frames per second footage too. Let's put it here. Okay, we don't need the sound. Let me mute the sound. This is 30 frames per second footage. Now this is 60 frames per second footage. Both clips are playing on real time. There's no difference. You cannot tell the difference that this is a slow-mo and this is not a slow-mo. Both are playing on a real time because the 60 frames per second is not interpreted. But when I interpret it, you will see the difference. So what do? Let's go ahead and delete this. Okay, now this is the footage. So you come over here, right click and modify, interpret footage. So first of all, let's know what frame rate our sequence is. So let's go to the sequence. This is the sequence here. Let's title it slow-mo, slow-mo. So let's check the properties of our sequence. 29.97 frames per second. So let's come over here and switch this one over here. Modify, interpret footage, assume frame rate. So let's assume frame rate to be 29.97 frames per second. Leave everything the way it is. Don't touch anything. Click OK. Okay, so now let's bring it to the timeline. Boom. So I'll play the 30 frames and I'll play the new interpreted 60 frames. So let's see the difference. This is 30 frames, it's playing on real time. Let's play the 60 frames, the new interpreted 60 frames. You can see the way it's playing. It's slow-mo and it's smooth because we just interpreted it to play the 60 frames on a 30 frame per second timeline. So it's actually going to play as a slow-mo. So now we won't stop here. So let's just give this guy a super slow-mo. So by right-clicking it, speed, stroke duration, let's put it on 50 and turn it to optical flow and OK it. So this is what we get. Very super slow-mo. Okay, compared to the 30 frames footage here. So this is what we get here. Very super slow-mo. So let me render it out, then we compare the two footage. Okay guys, it's done rendering. Okay, you watch it now. You see very slow, super slow-mo on Premiere Pro without shooting it on the camera. Okay guys, the key here is shoot on 60 frames per second, then interpret it on the Premiere Pro first of all, then use your time stroke duration, but on the time interpolation select optical flows because that's how you will get the smooth slow-mo, the smooth super slow-mo. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, hit like, tell me what you want to see next on the comment section, And also don't forget to subscribe for more super tutorials coming your way, and also help share this video to your friends and tell them to subscribe. Tell me what you feel, how you feel on the comment section below. This is Sam Presto from Sam Presto Films, and thank you for watching. See you on the next video.